Okay, hello again. So this video is kind of simultaneously momentous and not momentous. It's momentous in the sense that we're finally formally introducing the derivative, the thing that we'll spend over half of this class talking about. It's not momentous in the sense that we've basically already seen this before. It's basically just the instantaneous rate of change. So, if we have a function f of x, we've defined the instantaneous rate of change at a specific value x sub 0. The limit as h approaches 0 did not leave myself quite enough room, but f of x sub 0 plus h minus f of x sub 0 all divided by h. The derivative is just this, except that we're not going to have a set value x sub 0. Let me write the word down. The derivative of f of x is written as follows. F apostrophe x. When we speak out loud, we say prime. We read this f prime of x equals the limit as x approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all divided by h. So the great conceptual leap, I guess I'd say, between last section and this one is that last section, we were thinking of the instantaneous rate of change at a specific fixed point. The derivative is a function, just like f of x. So, there's more complicated examples in the textbook and even in my written notes. Let's just do a straightforward or relatively straightforward example. F of x equals x squared. This is very similar to the example we did with the instantaneous rate of change. The limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all divided by h. And because it's so similar to something we've done before, I won't dwell on it. We FOIL the quadratic. X squared plus 2xh plus h squared. We've got a minus x squared. Let me put a line to separate these. We're dividing by h. You see this x squared and this minus x squared are going to cancel. You see an h is going to pull out. And cancel. And now we can use continuity. We can just take this 0 and plug it in. And we get 2x. So we had f of x equals x squared. F prime of x equals 2x. And f prime of x is a function. If we want to know f prime of 5, well, it's 2 times 5 or 10. If we want to know f prime of -3, it's 2 times -3 is -6. So unlike last section, where we have some specific point that we're starting with, here we have a function and we can input any value that we want into it.